Gitanjali Bhushan, Principal Eklavya Model Residential School, Nichar. This school was established in 2005 with 30 students and a very small infrastructure. But today, we have 300 students and the infrastructure is also coming up. And all thanks to Ministry of Tribal Affairs.
School studies! School attends! All of them, right!
Hello everyone. Today I am going to welcome all the newcomers. A very warm welcome to the 8th class who has joined the school after a long gap of 2 years. And I'm really happy that we are again together to learn, to teach and to, play games and to be happy. So are you happy, all of you? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So now, since you are coming after a long time, please be disciplined, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Get up in time, eat food in time, study in time, follow teachers' instructions, and learn properly what is being taught to you. Don't waste your time and don't fight with each other, okay? Treat your juniors with love, respect your teachers, and follow all the instructions that are passed on to you, because now you will be moving towards a new journey, towards a new life. This is your, after a long gap, you have again started your beautiful life of school, which was long awaited, and I'm sure that you have not spoiled your habits back at home, and you will do really well in your academics, in sports, in every field. You have to excel in whatever you do. You choose your hobbies, choose some games. There are all the options: chess, carom board, volleyball, badminton, table tennis, whatever you want to play, just go ahead with that, okay? There are teachers to teach you all these games. You can learn from your respective teachers. Whatever game you choose, whatever hobby you opt, you will be taught everything. So just be good learners, leave the old routine, and good luck. Thank you.
Okay, during respiration, this glucose, which is a respiratory substrate, so it is a form of carbohydrate. It combines with oxygen. So what's the source of oxygen? Atmosphere. So 21% of oxygen is present in our atmosphere, so which enters to our nostril and then to the lungs. And from lungs, alveoles, this oxygen is transported to each and every cell. So where this glucose and oxygen combines, and then the breakdown of glucose occurs, which results into the formation of carbon dioxide and water along with ATP, which is known as adenosine triphosphate. So this substance is known as energy currency of the cell. So is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, anybody.
During respiration, glucose combine with oxygen in the cell and provide energy.
Okay, beta. Exactly right, this was.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Happy World Water Day to you all.
Same to you, ma'am.
जैसा कि हमें मालूम है कि हम लोग आज ये कसम खाएंगे कि आज के बाद हम पानी को वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, है ना?
एकलव्य स्कूल ने मुझे खुद के करीब लाया है स्कूल ने मुझे एक बेहतर इंसान बनाया है और मैं खुद को भाग्यशाली समझता हूँ कि मैं स्कूल से अपनी शिक्षा प्राप्त कर रहा हूँ।
When I look back at the 4 years of my life that I've spent in this school, I see myself growing every day and being nurtured by my teachers in the best way possible. I'm really very grateful to all my teachers and of course the whole ministry for providing us such an incredible platform to show what we tribals have. This school has contributed a lot in the lives of many students like me, and I'm really very proud to be an Eklavyan.
When I joined this school, I was really excited I was going to teach in a school for tribal children. There were shepherds' children, there were farmers' children who had not seen the outside world at all. And we are working 24/7 to do justice to what the Ministry of Tribal Affairs is doing for these students.
Believe that everyone should have great start in their life, as this school has changed my life. This school took my life to the path of excellence. This school built up my confidence, built up my personality, and moreover built up my ethics and values.
As an Eklavyan, I feel that what I have learned here, I would never have learned otherwise. This school gave me experience, knowledge, friends, and last but not the least, all my teachers who always supported me and gave me the confidence and made me strong enough to face all the ups and downs in my life. High expectations for our students as well as educators. We don't compromise on the quality of education, moral values and discipline as well. And they are great learners too. We have created engineers, doctors, working in defense, mariners and whatnot. Our students are excelling in sports, cultural activities, Children's Science Congress and all the fields wherever they go.